Hello and welcome! Today we are going to find out how to create a Gmail account from a mobile phone or computer. There are different possibilities for this. On the phone, you can do this in particular from the Google Play or Gmail applications. Then, we just have to press the avatar at the top right of the screen and select Add another account. In the next step, on the login screen, we are offered to create a new account. Otherwise, whether on computer or telephone, we can also use our internet browser. In this case, we will type gmail.com in the address bar. If we are not already logged in with another account, we are offered the login screen directly, and we will create an account. Here, we choose the type corresponding to our need. By pressing Next, we will have to fill out this form indicating our surname, first name, the Gmail address that we wish to use, subject to its availability on the platform. Below, we choose a password for the connection, which we must confirm for security. In the next step, if desired, we provide our phone number. Then, a recovery email address in case this new account is blocked. Below, we also enter our date of birth and gender. Following, we are offered the two personalization choices for the account settings, manual or express. To go faster, we will select this one. In this case, we will confirm the proposed customization. Finally, we just have to accept the terms of use of the service, allowing us to access our Gmail mailbox and use our new Google account.